How to speed up Snapchat videos. You can speed up Snapchat videos using Snapchat built-in feature, and here is how to do it. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, you can simply hold the record button to capture a video. Now once you capture a video, swipe left or right on the screen after recording until you see the rabbit icon. This speeds up your video. Once you see the rabbit icon, you can simply stop. Now you can simply tap on the save to store it in your camera roll or send it to share it on Snapchat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.